Go, Ari, go. Hurry up, hurry up. Ari, can't lay down.
I got it. You have to snatch. You have to snatch.
Oh, Jeremiah, you're out of bounds. It's Ari's ball.
But.
Ari, here. You can't touch the couch.
Dad, you have to snatch in basketball.
Yeah, wait for Bree. Wait for Bree. Alright, go back. Alright, it's Jeremiah's turn. Alright, it's Jeremiah's turn. You just made a shot.